All right. Once upon a time, I thought if I just followed the right formula, I would finally make it. I bought the templates, I copied the funnels, and I mimicked the messaging. And you know what I built? A business I wouldn't mind. Now, I am good for reverse engineering an offer, system, or program. It's how I'm wired. However, I didn't find success that way. It wasn't until I figured out my own way of doing things that I stumbled, literally, across the right business for me. Marketing consultant was too broad. Social media manager was too narrow. Marketing technologist turned out to be the right fit. Now, granted, as a marketing focus, it's not well known in my target market, but my coaches and consultants certainly understand when I say, let me cure your WordPress headache. It took years of digging into what I actually enjoy doing to escape the trap of right niche, wrong role. You really need to understand yourself well and see how your audience views the problem you solve to score optimal results in your business. Be ready to grow and pivot. The mirror isn't a photograph. What aligns with you today will almost always change over time. Now, you might be in the right industry, but solving the wrong problem, or in the right niche, but with the wrong offer. Ultimately, you can't just copy paste someone else's success because you are not them. That doesn't mean you can't be inspired by other professionals you admire. I've got tons, too many to name. But it means that you have to know yourself well enough to know what's going to work with your life and your wiring and what won't. And then you use that knowledge of self to create a business and an offer that's uniquely yours. It all boils down to alignment. Who are you? How do you work best? What are you willing to learn, invest in, or deny yourself in order to make your business a successful one? Alignment is the difference between you thriving in a business that's built on the real you and your business wearing the same outfit as someone else's at the big party and they will work better. So dissect your best offer. Pick out the elements that make it uniquely yours. And if you can't find any, work on realigning it with your vision, your mission, and your passion. So reflect on this. If you held your business up to a mirror, would it look like you? The best way, the very best way to learn who you really are so that you can build a business based on that authentic self is to take our Discover You course at Bestie Finder. Our My Gifts ID assessment is included at no extra cost, and you can just tap on the link in the description to get started. Remember, boundaries ain't betrayal, and being busy ain't the same as being about your business. Protect your bandwidth because your business should fuel your life instead of draining it. I'll see you in the next one.